Lunar infrastructure. We've long known the moon has more to it than the mainstream has told the public. We've had sessions in the past that explored secret lunar bases, both with extraterrestrial and human life. This time, we wanted to revisit the secret space program's lunar infrastructure and probe into the thoughts of its leadership on the potential future public access in a post-disclosure world, if that world is truly coming our way.
And it feels man-made, so this is probably a non-surface structure, and this is my surface structure, and then that's kind of the irregular topography that I see in the backdrop, and this is the level topography more in the foreground.
It looks a bit like a sci-fi city here. One eye seems to be a tech eye, and then one arm, there's something over the arm that looks to be like highly advanced technology.
Robotic or uniform in a sense. They're all following a path and hitting certain marks of that, so it just feels like, I feel like I'm watching a bunch of ants all go back to the colony, back and forth, back and forth. They're all following some sort of path.
So the air inside the dome is breathable. The air outside the dome is not breathable. It feels like it's too heavy. And there's a very stark difference, a very stark contrast between the outside environment, which is desolate and uninhabitable, and the area underneath the dome that feels like it is more, tons of subjects, and just, it's so different. The outside looks like a desert.